In my long career in this business, I have been traveling all over the world and I have been facing a lot of challenges.
Which led me to be very passionate about really trying to make a difference in the business and stabilize the benefits of purchased equipment and also to utilize it to the best possible performance. I have been involved in CNC machining since I was just a kid, back in the beginning of the 1980s. And I started to work with the Kuno machines already then in various roles. Operator role as a shop manager, then an Akuma application engineer, programmer and process developer, and of course as an optimization expert later on. And my primary role has always been to try to find the best possible solution for the specific tasks presented to me.
To make our passion come to life, we need our regional clients to start expecting more from their suppliers.